My name's Ben Cave and I'm a trainer here at the ODI. Open data is driving innovation and growth by revealing opportunities for companies both large and small to deliver new services, improve efficiency and identify savings. Open data is a natural resource of the digital age, but unlike other natural resources like coal or diamonds, it can be used by everyone at the same time. This means open data literacy is a crucial skill for any company that wants to adapt to a changing world and to take advantage of this new boom in resources. For example, in agriculture, open data is already being used to improve crop yields and feed a growing population. Open data is helping governments everywhere improve the efficiency of their public services, build trust with citizens, and boost engagement in the political process. A new generation of voters has come to expect a digitally literate and engaged government, which means that open data literacy is no longer a luxury for civil servants, but a critical aspect of service delivery. So from the UK to Burkina Faso, Estonia to Australia, and Japan to Mexico, governments across the world are introducing open data policies at the heart of their agendas. Open data is helping to unlock economic value by providing the raw material for innovation. To give you an example, in the transport sector, open data is forming a boom in app companies. Open data is also being used as a catalyst for digital transformation in government, and it's increasingly at the core of public policy to release data openly. Finally, it's becoming a key source of evidence for policymakers as they use open data from a variety of sources to improve the policy process. Open data is helping to connect people to key topics and create a more informed debate around cultural issues. Open data is also saving lives, with geographic information and aid statistics being used by humanitarian groups to deliver supplies to disaster zones. In 2015, open data has already been used to help the people of Haiti and the Philippines respond to disasters and is driving the response to Ebola in West Africa.